Here we go, folks. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. Actually, I just moved to Weaverville, California. Yay, right on the first. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you watching my videos. I'm out here with my new friend. This is Son's Mustang, and it is a 1966 Ford Mustang. It is originally from Arizona. That's where the restoration work was done. It headed up to Wisconsin and is now out in friendly Fortuna, California. And so that's the backstory as far as we know. It was her stepdad's car. He is not with us anymore, but she inherited it, and I am going to help her send it down the road. So let's take a look. This thing is actually really sweet. I know I always say that, but it's because I'm excited when I get these calls that someone wants me to help them sell their car, which I love. You know, Platt Motors is it's been around a long time, and we buy, sell, trade, and consign classic cars. And so I was looking at this 66 Mustang. It's got a 200 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine in it. It looks like it's got a semi-recent paint job. Could use a detail. It's been sitting in one of these storage units for a few years, but the owner comes down, fires it up. Fired right up today, no problem. And so it's kind of a beige color. You know, it's a nice paint job. I saw a little bit of orange peel, but shoot, you see that on the new cars these days, so I'm not too worried about that. I don't see any noticeable rust or rust repair. And so 66 is a cool year. It's got a great look to it. Sounds good. It's got some good rubber. I see it's wrapped in 185/70 R14s. Let's take a peek here on the passenger side. Looks to me like the upholstery was done during the restoration process. Most likely the carpet. I see a couple marks in the carpet, but the seats look really good. I don't see any rips or tears in the back seat. I do not see any rips or tears on the passenger or the driver's seat. Seat belts look like they're in good condition. I lifted up these mats and I saw a couple. You know, I think this stuff is just kind of dust balls. You can see it just disintegrated. It's got this kind of old school, you know, reminds me of like a dealer installed AC unit. I peeked in there and it looked good. Looks like it's got a flashers button in there. Looks like an 80s style radio. It's an automatic transmission. Fired right up. Door panel looks good on the passenger side. Glass looks good. Wing window looks good. Windshield looks good. Vinyl top, really important. I don't know whether that was done during the restoration, but it looks tight. It looks like it's in great condition, and I don't see any telltale signs of bubbling or anything like that underneath. I'm assuming that this may have been an original Arizona car, and that is possibly why it looks in great shape and no red flags, because I've gotten plenty of these vinyl tops in, and you can feel the bubbles, and you know that when you take it off, it's kind of opening up a can of worms. So this passenger side door panel looks good as well. I noticed from the inside this handle feels good, but would not let me out. I had to roll down the window and release it myself. I see a little rubber piece kind of missing there. There's your data plate, door tag, Ford style. You know, all the chrome trim pieces are on, look to be in good shape. I noticed the steering wheel looks aftermarket and is missing the horn button. The mileage says 79,651 TMU. We don't really know when this vehicle was restored in Arizona or how many miles it has on it, but I know since the owners had it, she has not put many miles on it. So, you know, maybe a little bit of staining here on the carpet. It probably really just needs a really good detail inside and out, and it would make this Mustang shine again. I did not check the AC unit, but I could. I saw the compressor underneath. And I'll take some close-up pictures. Looks like it's got one of those, you know, that sit on the hump there. But again, you know, back seat looks really presentable. The headliner looks good. I don't see any rips or tears. So a lot of good on this one. You know, if you're looking to get into the, you know, kind of first generation Mustangs, it's not going to totally break the bank. Could use a little cleanup, but it's actually in pretty good shape. Kind of the more I look, the more I like. The chrome's a little, you know, it's a little dirty. It looks like it may have some water spots on it or something like that, but actually it looks like it's in great shape. All 4 hubcaps are there. Like I said, we got all our trim pieces, the antennas there, wiper blades are there. Glass looks good all around. No glaring signs of rust or rust repair. I poked around in the trunk a little bit. It's kind of got a trunk mat, and then it's got kind of a rubber piece. There is a spare in there. I took a bunch of still pictures. I did about 100. You can see that on plattmotors.com. You can also see my cars on Hemmings, classiccars.com, Auto Trader Classics. When I was getting it out of the unit, my partner here said the lights were working, the reverse lights were working, and so that was a good sign. It's plated in California, but the tag says 2017. I'm assuming it's on non-op. I will double check. Panels look good, gaps look good. You know, I don't see anything that really sticks out body-wise. It's just a good old 66 Ford Mustang. Let's see if we can pop this open here. I know I did it before. I think it was right in the center. Hang on a sec. Sorry about that upside down there. Hope you're hanging in there. I know I don't like to go upside down, but there you go. 200 cubic inch, 6-cylinder. I haven't checked the codes yet, but I'm assuming that's what this one was born with. There's your AC unit. So I'm not sure if that's a new style or the old style. It's got that right there, which I like. The windshield washer reservoir. And you know, my understanding is we've had a few of these come through the shop over the years. These 6-cylinders they're pretty bulletproof. Probably didn't have a ton of power, but I don't think he had a lot of problems with it. I've been running it out here for 10 or 15 minutes, and no real red flags, and so that's a good sign. So it's it's getting and go. Have some fun, car show, cruising. You know, I'm not seeing any leaks underneath. No power steering, no power brakes. But hey, isn't that what you want in a 66? I mean, it's not a code car. It's just a good old school 1966 Ford Mustang. You know, it's got some of these stampings. So I'm no expert, but that tells me that fender may be original. I think I saw some more over here. I see the VIN there. Pretty honest car, if you ask me. Michael Platt, Platt Motors. Owner's moved out of the area. She lives up in Portland. It's sitting here in the storage unit in Fortuna. She's ready to get it sold. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Weaverville, California. It's my first video. You know, I've been in Anderson since 2014. I'm in Weaverville now, so I got to shift gears. Good, old school, solid 1966 Ford Mustang. I mean, it's all there. Get in and go. Load up the kids, the missus, have some fun. Doesn't get much better than that. Not going to break the bank. So there you go. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Weaverville, California. 707-599-9448. plattmotors@gmail.com. plattmotors.com is my website. I told you the other sites you can see me on: Hemmings, ClassicCars.com, Auto Trader Classics, Classic.com, as well as some others that I don't advertise on. So give me a call. Let's talk Mustangs. This is the next one. I'm excited. It looks like a real solid base 66 Ford Mustang. I don't see any major red flags. The more I see, the more I like. Give me a call. I text and email, but I love to talk, especially about old Mustangs. So give me a buzz anytime. Appreciate you looking at my videos. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Weaverville, California. Come check us out at the new location. We're right off the 299. We got some goodies in there as well. And this is what we do: buy, sell, trade, consign classic cars. Thanks again for looking at my videos. Give me a follow on social, and we'll talk to you real soon. Thanks again. See ya.